Okay.
Okay, shall we go for the next one?
Yes.
Okay, sending it to you. And you can play it if you have it already with you.
Shit. So Sahana, you have to translate. I see a lot of blank faces.
Translation.
Okay. You all have to bring a neck chain, jewelry, anything that has gold in it.
I think Reddy sir's family got it, I guess.
Yes. Yes. Bhaskar Garu got it.
I don't have to get
Sanjeev
it. I'm
got
wearing
it.
a chain.
See, Supra already has. Even Girjaji's family, Soumya's family.
Yeah, everybody is showing off their tali.
Oh, Sasi's Golusu is the headphones.
Oh, nice.
Sasi has a new swag.
Wait, show it off, show it.
Show it. Come on. We have to
We'll
see
take a
it.
pic. Take a pic.
Okay.
Screenshot taken.
Ready? Keep it awesome. We like the participation.
Yeah. Show off your Mangal Sutra.
Okay.
Forgot to wear today.
Awesome. What?
Someone said, "No, show your Mangal Sutra." I said, forgot to wear it.
I have my mom also here. My mom also is here.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi.
How are you?
Kiran.
Oh my God, why?
My dad.
Hi, Uncle.
Hi, how are you?
Doing great, Uncle. Missed watching cricket. IPL stopped.
My dad and Kiran share a very special bonding of cricket.
Nice.
So it's a family get together. All our friends and family get together.
All right.
Okay, we can go for the next song, Kiran.
Yes. Which song is it, Sana?
I think it's the earlier songs. We had a few being sent this morning, no?
We'll put one, this one, no, Hindi. I can see that name. That song shall I put?
Yeah. Yeah, please.
This one everyone will enjoy. Huh? Okay.
I think half of them would have got with the tune only.
Didn't hear anything, bro.
Not audible.
Can't hear you. Good? Aisha has already got it.
Come on. Awesome. Nikita, Yogita,
Bharat is here.
Hey, hi, Bharat.
Oh, Bharat is here. Hi, Bharat.
Fine, right?
Yeah, nice. Good. Just hold it, guys. Click the photo also, no?
Yes, please hold. Arsh has written on this DP. How cool.
Very nice.
Oh, my Nitish son, wow. Nitish family also is infused in there. Nice.
Oh, see, the Smiley also had Kala Chashma. Very creative. Ravi.
Awesome.
Cool.
Should we take a picture of this?
Yes. सब लोग पहन लो अपने के.
Awesome. Have all of us got their, all of them got their Kala Chashmas?
I'll get blue ones.
Sure.
I will
3,
again.
2, 1. Hi, Bharat.
Wait. Chalo.
Supra has virtual
Kala Chashma.
Kala Chashma.
Yes.
No Kala
This
Chashma.
much also will do.
Yeah,
All of
yeah.
y'all can give this much.
Sannidhi.
Awesome. 3, 2, 1. Go. Nice.
Cool. So Sana,
Okay, can we have one game for all the kids? I want all the kids to participate. The elders can.
Yeah, I'm
If you
ready.
still have the you definitely can. Okay. The game is pretty simple. All you have to do is 1 sec. Okay, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'm audible, right?
yes.
Okay, so the game is Simon Says, and if I say Simon Says touch your head, then you will touch your head. But if I just say touch your head, you will not touch your head. If you do, then you're out and you're supposed to do a dance or an act or whatever that I'm
Oh,
going to.
this is nice. I'll be the
How many
judge.
of you all are game for this?
This is nice.
I'll be the host.
I'll be
Watch
the.
who is doing what.
I will be co-host.
No. Participation is for all.
I will be the.
I'm an adult now. I'm no more a kid.
I'll be the kid here, along with my daughter.
Sorry. No, all of you all have to participate. No excuses.
Okay, on behalf of me, Bharat will do.
yeah. That's nice.
Simon says. Simon says.
Okay.
So, is everyone clear with the rules? Everyone clear? Can't hear anyone.
Sir, again, repeat, sir.
Repeat ना साना एक और बार repeat कर लो जल्दी से.
Sure. Am I audible?
You have to switch off your video, I think.
Example.
Okay, 1 second. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay. When I say something and it has Simon Says, I'll show it with the video on. If I say Simon Says touch your head, touch your head. And I say touch your head, and if you touch your head, you're out. We will play a trial round as well. Okay?
Cool.
Okay.
Kiran, probably we both can play trial.
Yeah, sure. अरे सबको समझ में आ गया? मितेश समझ में आ गया?
We will show how it
जब भी
works.
साइमन बोलता है तभी कर रहा है काम, और साइमन नहीं बोलेगा तो नहीं करना है. अगर फिर भी आपने कर लिया तो फिर आउट.
Exactly.
All right.
Okay. Simon Says touch your ear. Okay. Simon Says jump. Come on, get active. Come on. Simon is asking you to jump. Come on, jump, all of you. Come on, Moini, come on. Okay, good. So hope all of your muscles are also up and running now. Nice. Okay, touch your nose. Kiran almost went.
Just
Okay,
about.
Nitish's family. Nitish's family.
अंशिका आपका भाई आउट हो गया देखो.
मोहिनी ने भी टच किया.
I was about to, I did not.
like same like Kiran, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it won't be this slow. I would go
Yeah.
fast. I would go really fast. We just did a trial round. Now it's time for you. Simon Says raise your hand. Simon says raise your hand. Simon says clap. Simon says clap. Simon says touch your hand, touch your arm. Shoulder, touch your shoulder. Simon says touch your shoulder. Pull your hair. Pull your hair. Sanjeev, Dharna.
Fail. Down.
Okay. Okay. Simon says blink. Simon says wink. Simon says touch your nose. Open your tongue. Open your tongue.
Sashi out.
Subra. Sashi out, Subra out.
Supra, I'm following you, Supra. Whatever you are doing, Supra, I'm following you.
I'm
I thought I
making fun.
trust you.
Please don't do.
All of them go off and enjoying. No, want to see you. Come on.
So who all are out along with me?
Sashi and Sanjeev's 2 kids.
Yeah. Bhaskar Garu, your son's name. We have to see him in the front though. Starter.
Okay, we'll go a little rapid, Sahana. I think that will be more fun.
Sana.
Yeah. So am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I audible? Okay. Touch your neck. Okay, so everyone's alert. Cool. They will go. Simon says, raise both your hands. Raise both of your hands. Kiran?
I thought Simon
I said Simon says raise your hands and raise your hands.
Yeah.
No, I said second one was raise your hand.
No, Sahana, because hang on a second.
Yeah,
Sahana,
Nikita.
because you're repeating instructions. So you said Simon says raise your hands, and then you didn't say put them down. So I didn't know if I should put them down or not. So it's causing a lot of confusion. Yes.
Okay, then it's my mistake.
IQ.
Okay, one. So we have sharp people here. I have to be more careful. Okay. Touch your ears. Simon says touch your eyes. Pull your tongue out.
I purposefully did, okay?
Supra is out, so he's making
Right,
sure
right.
everyone is out.
I did purposefully.
I can see Nikita, Soumya, Mitish, all are participating well. The Bhaskar Garu's family, Lujismita. Okay. Simon says turn around.
Kiran has a nice.
Simon says stand up.
Should it be
Stand up and turn around, no problem.
Stand up.
Simon says stand up. Simon says turn to your left. Simon says turn to your right. Simon says look back. Walk forward. Simon says walk back. One step back. Simon says bend to your left. Bend to your right.
Left.
Simon says to hold both your hands on your head.
How to do that?
Simon says say ayo.
Ayo.
Simon says say ayo.
Yo.
Simon says keep quiet. Maintain silence. Finger on your lips. Sasi out. Yogita out. Nitish out. Supra out. Simon says sit down.
I'm sitting already.
Simon says say hooray.
Hooray.
Hooray!
Yes. Yes. I hope you all had fun. Although my network is a little troublesome, but I hope you all had fun. So Simon says to stay positive. So that's what I wanted to say.
Absolutely.
In COVID times, staying positive is not a good instruction, Sahana.
It's a positive mindset, not positive of anything. Good. So we have a participation from any of the kids, elders. Really happy to see all of you. Kiran, Supra.
Hey, we have
Invisible,
a
right?
lot of participants. Luchasmita can dance. She can make us also dance. Luchasmita,
Yeah, we can get started with her.
yeah. Tell me what songs you want me to play. I'll play and we all will dance with you.
Okay, मेरे पास एक song है मैं merge करके रखी हूँ.
हाँ ठीक है चलेगा. आप मुझे
Yeah,
वो
you want
टेलीग्राम में भेज दो या फिर
share
आप
the
ही प्ले
link,
कर
then
दो.
you can do that. हाँ.
ठीक है मैं भेज रही हूँ अभी तो 2 minute भेज.
Who else?
We have any kid who will sing a song for us?
Anyone want to sing?
Sridhana like to.
Yes, please.
Right now,
कराग्रे वसदे लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविंद प्रभाते करदर्शन. That's it.
Oh, that's really nice.
Very
You
nice.
mugged it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. No banana. वही गाना चलते हैं दूसरा क्वेश्चन.
Any more song anyone wants to sing? Any kids who wants to sing a rhymes? Yes, please come. I forgot your name again. Sorry.
Sannidhi.
Chalo, sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Nice.
Kanishka. Kanishka also will dance. ठीक है. Good. All right. So Luchasmita, I have your song. I hope everyone is ready.
Chalo, all should dance with Luchasmita.
Yes. So
Switch on the video. I'll see.
yeah, so Supra will monitor. And enjoy.
Chalo, Ravi, switch on your video.
Okay. Shall I start, Luchasmita?
Sir, 1 minute. I'm checking mobile.
So our trainer is ready.
Luchasmita, we cannot see your video.
Yes.
वो रूम थोड़ा कंजेस्टेड है ना इसलिए थोड़ा मतलब अरेंज करके कर रही हूँ.
That's okay. That same place you dance. It is okay.
Shall I play? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Sir, can you replay again?
She missed a step. You have to start again, Kiran.
Oh, is it? Let me share my screen only. No, wait. Give me 10 seconds.
Kiran, आप भी dance कीजिए. People will be motivated.
मैं तो encourage कर रहा हूँ ना. Well, okay, let's just put share my screen, share sound, WhatsApp.
You have to tap that screen so the others. No one is dancing. जिसका इसका वीडियो बनना वो लोग नाच करें.
Oh God, one more remix.
People should dance, man. Why are you- Awesome. I think I like Sashi. Sashi participated properly.
Very nice.
Then I wanted to say that awesome, Sashi.
Very nice.
Good. People should dance यार. Video off करके रख लिया.
Kids love to dance. No one likes to dance.
No, I think few people were dancing. Sanjeev, now he switched on the video. Okay.
Some internet connections. Okay.
Then we'll put another song.
Connection issues.
Okay. What's the next song? कौन सा गाना लगा है?
Sana also will have some in list, right? Luchi, do you have any more?
और कौन सा गाना आप भी बोलिए डांस कर.
Okay, we will randomly play. You will dance, right?
We all will dance together.
Kiran will put, no worries, huh?
Okay, then I'll put any random song. I'll put.
कोई नहीं, तेलुगु का डाल दीजिए. Beats is there, no?
वही तो डालने वाला था मैं.
तेलुगु नहीं है तो कर.
Kiran, play Ala Vaikuntapuram lo.
Kiran, can you play Bati Coming?
क्या कौन सा?
Ala Vaikuntapuram lo.
अरे मुझे टेक्स्ट कर दो. एक सॉन्ग अला वेंकटपुरम डाल देता हूँ, दूसरा सॉन्ग आपका वाला डाल देता हूँ. दोनों अच्छे गाने होंगे. ओके, स्टार्ट.
బ్రదర్ ఆపమ్మా. ఈ డిక్ కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమైనా ఉందా?
You're not dancing.
ఎవరి గురించి మాట్లాడదాం? లైఫ్ లో స్పైస్ ఉండవు. శేఖర్ సార్, అబ్బో ఇది బాగా ఏ సర్టిఫికెట్ అవుతాయి. ఆడిబా మనం ఇక్కడే చెప్తున్నాం. 1-2 గానికి 22 బస్తిల మస్తు కట్అవుట్. బచ్చా గాన్ల బ్యాచ్ ఉండేది వచ్చినమంటే సుట్టు. కిక్కే సాలక ఓ నైట్ ఎక్కి డొక్కు బుల్లెట్. సందుల మందు కోసం ఎత్తుకుతంటే రూటు. సిల్కు షీరగట్టు చూసినట్టు. గట్టిన బిర్యానీకి బొట్టు బిల్ల పెట్టినట్టు. బంగ్లా మీద నిలుసోనుందిరో ఓ సందమామ. సుక్కదాగక చక్కరొచ్చెర్రో మావ. చిక్క లెక్క దుంకుతుంటెరో ఆ సందమావ. చుక్కి జారి చిక్కుకుందిరో నా నిలుకు మావ. చేసిందిరో నా పానం చేసిందిరో. నన్నారం చేసిందిరో. నా పానం చేసిందిరో. నన్నారం చేసిందిరో.
Come on, dance.
Step भी याद नहीं है.
You make your own steps here. What is there?
इधर से क्या इंडिया क्या है?
కమ్మల పాటే చేస్తుంటే కమ్మల వాసన వస్తావే. ఎర్రగా పండిన పుక్కలు రెండు యాదికొస్తాయే. చేస్తుంటే గుండె నువ్వై పూస్తావే. చేస్తావే. అరే ఇంటి ముందు లైట్ మిడుకు మిడుకుమంటావే. నువ్వు కన్ను కొట్టినట్టు సిగ్గు పుట్టిందే. తీర కొంగు తలుపు సాటు సిగ్గు పుట్టాటే. నువ్వు లాగినట్టు ఒళ్ళు చల్లబడ్డాటే. నాగస్వరం ఊదు పాముగినట్టు ఎంటావడి వస్తున్నా నీ పట్ట గొలుసు సప్పుడింటూ పట్టనట్టే తిరుగుతున్నవే ఓ సందమావ పక్కకు పోయి తొంగి చూస్తవే షెంటెక్కురమావా
Awesome. Good. Nice. Now I'll play Manish.
Kiran, WhatsApp. Can you check your WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Bhati coming.
एक second. Bhakti coming up. Okay.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Sir, she was enjoying full. I'm so happy.
Yes. Good, good function up there.
மச்சாப்பா மச்சாப்பா இதா 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 ஏய் எடிடா வாடா பாத்தி கம்மி ஓகே நிறுத்து தூடா உண்மையிலேயே வர சொன்னாங்களா சார்? என்ன சார் இப்படி கேக்குறீங்க? சத்தியமா வர சொல்லிட்டாங்க சார். அண்ணே அடி அடி.
Right. What's next?
Kiran, Saki.
Which one?
Saki, Saki.
Saki, Saki. Is it English song, is it?
नहीं नहीं हिंदी सॉन्ग.
अच्छा.
हाँ अच्छा है वो.
So Ruchi is ready.
बाटला हाउस.
चलो चलो everyone switch on your video and come and dance.
अब नाचिए.
And do the signature step.
ये तो बहुत difficult हो गया belly dancing.
तेरी आँखों का साहिल मैं तेरे दिल पे ही काबिल मुसाफिर मैं तेरी मंजिल इश्क का दरिया है बहता डूब जा तुझसे है कहता आ मेरी बाहों में आके मिल शराबी क्या शराबी दिल में जिसके गम न हो लुट गया समझो शराबी
का मुझे यार चाहिए, ना पैसा चाहिए ना ही करार चाहिए।
ये हुस्न का है खुमार मेरा तुझ पे है छाया जो, कुर्बान हुआ जो मुझ पे खुश नसीब पड़ा है वो। ओ शराबी क्या शराबी दिल में जिसके गम न हो, रुक गया समझो शराबी पास जिसके हम न हो।
ओ साकी 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 साकी, वापस आ रहना जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी। ओ साकी 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 साकी, वापस आ रहना जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी।
Cool, awesome. I think now we burned 200-300 calories, huh? कितना कैलोरी बर्न किया हमने?
100 कैलोरी
बस इतना सही.
अभी तक।
बस.
There are going to be 2-3 more songs. We'll burn 300 calories.
But चलो फिर अभी गाना सुन लेते हैं. Pankaj will sing a song.
Okay.
So, Pankaj.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you're loud and clear. You can go ahead.
Okay. Da da da. तुझ संग बैर लगाया ऐसा रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, हो रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा। मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम मेरा नाम इश्क, ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क, इश्क इश्क। मैं अपना नाम बदल दूं या फिर नाम छुपा लूं, या छोड़ के सारी याद में बैराग उठा लूं। बस एक रहे मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम तेरा नाम, मेरा नाम इश्क, ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क, इश्क इश्क। Okay guys, thank you.
Wow. Awesome, Pankaj. ये तो पता नहीं था यार, तुम तो बोल रहे थे तुमको स्टेज फियर है. पता चला तुम गाना ही गा दिया. अलग ही लेवल किया.
थोड़ा नर्वसनेस थोड़ा ये हो गया. ठीक है. Next time I will also good means perform.
Awesome. Great. I think a couple of folks need to drop it. We'll quickly take a group photo. I think we are almost to the end before we conclude few things. So request everyone to switch on their video, and Karthik can take the photo, and then we can go for the last part. All right, Mitesh is done. Arsh, you can switch on the video. All right, thank you. Ravi, you can also try. Mohini, Yogita, Nikita, I don't know if you can hear. Okay, where's Karthik?
Kiran, I think my net is fluctuating. Can you take, Kiran?
Yes, I'll take. Only Ravi is missing. Huh? Ravi, can you switch on your video? Sabka photo aa gaya. Nice. Good. Ash, switch on kar do. 3, 2, and 1. Superb. Awesome. Great. All right. So I hope you all had fun. And before ending, if any thoughts, anyone want to share anything, any excitement or anything, we can end it in next 5-10 minutes.
Any
Or
feedback also? Okay,
feedback,
guys, you can share with
any
us.
excitement. Nikita has kept quiet. I wanted to speak. कुछ तो बोलना पड़ेगा निकिता को इस बार. I don't know if the network is better.
If you give opportunity, Sai wants to sing the one song quickly, half minute. Sir.
Yes, please.
Kishora, Yashoda Bala, Gopala, Nanda Mukunda, Shama Govinda, Devaki Nandana Gopala, Nandalala, 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 Hey Gopala.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next time, Madhu.
Wonderful, Sai. Wonderful. Super. Who's
It
speaking?
was really nice.
Nice.
Nice, cute kid.
Yeah. Nice.
And my dedication to the mother today, Kiran,
Happy Mother's Day.
since it's a Mother's Day,
Yes.
I will dedicate 2 lines of song to my mother.
Sure.
Amma ninna ಎದೆಯಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮಿಣುಗಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಾನು. ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಎದೆಯಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮಿಣುಗಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಾನು. ತಡಿಯಲೊಲ್ಲೆ ನೀ ಕರುಳವಳ್ಳಿ ಕೊಲ ಮೂಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ತಾಯೇ ಬಿಡದ ಭುವಿಯ ಮಾಯೇ. Yes, next time I will sing full. Thank you.
Thank you, Soumya. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Great. All right. So who has not spoken anything? We can't let anyone go not speaking. Luchasmita danced. Sanjeev kids also performed. किसने क्या नहीं किया? उनको करना पड़ेगा कुछ ना कुछ. मितेश. हाँ, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे क्या?
अरे बोलना.
देश बुलाकर छोड़ी जाए.
नाइस. योगिता, आप कुछ शेयर कीजिए.
Can I song?
Yeah. Very. You can definitely.
God song.
कोई भी चलेगा.
Okay. अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, भक्त मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, जैसे बुलाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं कौन कहते हैं भगवान नचते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान नचते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह हम नचाते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह हम नचाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, मैया यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं नाम लेते चलो नाम जपते चलो हर समय कृष्ण का ध्यान करते चलो याद आएंगी उनको कभी ना कभी कृष्ण दर्शन तो देंगे कभी ना कभी अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम थैंक यू
Awesome, Yogita. You
Wow,
really
so
sang very
melodious.
well.
I so
It's one
enjoyed
of
it.
my favorite song also. Yeah.
Superb. Thank you so much, Yogita ji. बहुत ही अच्छा गाया आपने. Good. Awesome. Who else missed out? Can't miss anyone. कौन मिस हुआ है अभी? Arsh. I think Arsh didn't speak at all.
Anyone wants to share anything?
Arsh, why don't you share?
Yes. Yes, sir. It was like a very good experience, and like watching you all dance, that was also like fun. So yeah.
Good. आपको नाचना पड़ेगा अर्श.
Next time for sure. For sure. I will learn dance then.
अरे सीखना क्या है? सीखना कुछ नहीं है.
किसी को भी नहीं आता है, ऐसे हम लोग नाच रहे थे.
बस लुची को आता है, शी इज अ प्रोफेशनल डांसर. हम सब लोग
और सहाना, दो प्रोफेशनल हैं.
सहाना भी है प्रोफेशनल डांसर. बाकी सब लोग हम लोग शादी वादी में नाचते रहते हैं.
नहीं, सब लोगों का अच्छा लगा डांस.
Anyone wants to share anything? How did you feel or anything before we end?
It was really nice. Actually, in fact, we all love people, getting engaged in people, and this COVID is making us being in Rome, and this kind of opportunity helps us to really, it brings some brightness in our life. That's what I feel.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. Thank you, and all for the organizers.
Thank you, Soumya. Can thank Sahana and Supra. Both were.
This is all possible because you guys joined. We are very happy whoever could make it.
Thank you, Sahana, and thank you, Supra.
Thank you. Bhaskar garu, Meera, Mikela, Nachindi.
Yeah, Kiran and all. It was a wonderful evening. The right timing, 5 to 6 Sunday evening. Very refreshing. Actually, my kids, when she said, I like dancing, acting, all, I was asking, can you perform anything? She told me, I have not prepared. Next time I will surely perform. So that's what word she gave. So next time, hopefully, we'll meet soon. And
absolutely.
She'll plan something.
Next time, nahi chhodenge. Now you all are comfortable. So next time, when naam ko bula ke.
Next time you will perform.
Yeah, next time I'll perform.
Sir, I want to share a joke.
Yes, Mitesh. Why not?
One thing जो शादी से पहले सबकी होती है और शादी के बाद पति की.
Oh, पहली and all you're giving. I'm so bad in this.
नहीं पता मितेश हमें तो.
गलती.
Oh my God. Good joke. I was about to ask किसको joke आता है करना.
Nice, good one, Mitesh. Very nice. Good. Sanjeev, how did you guys felt? How was the experience? I hope you had.
Yeah, it's nice experience. My kids also feel like they participated in a big stage.
Good.
He's Dinesh's son, is it, Sanjeev?
Yeah, Dinesh's son.
Yeah, he is Dinesh's son.
अभी सीधे
अभी hi मुक्कु చూపించు
अभी हाय
Hi, Abhi.
अभी అక్కడ చూస్తున్నారు అభి
hi
Hi.
నీ ముక్కు ఏదమ్మా నీ ముక్కు
Hi, Yogita. Hi, Abhi. Good. I think if you dance, you can't think negative. There's a very good experiment. If you dance, you won't be able to think negative at all. आपके दिमाग में आ ही नहीं सकता. Your body is occupied in dancing so much in physical activity, your mind cannot think negative. Just try it out. It's very powerful. Just for fun, just dance and then play a random song and just jump here and there. If you jump and even if you jump in your house, negative you can't even think. You just try it out. Try to dance and think negative, and tell me whether you can do it. It's impossible. So stay happy, everyone. And thank you so much for joining everyone to make this event successful. And we'll keep doing it. I hope it added a lot of smiles in your faces. If you want to share anything, do share with us, or else we are done.